Hello everyone and welcome to day 9 of a 15-day series on SQL tricks and tips. Want to write cleaner, shorter and smarter SQL? Today's trick is a game changer, the string aggregation function, which can turn rows into comma-separated strings. Before we dive into the details, here's a quick reminder to solve the fun SQL riddle at the end of this video. Let's look at a sample data set. So we have a table called table employees with distinct rows for each skill for each employee. The string add function can concatenate the string values across rows, and you can see that all the skills for each employee have been concatenated with a comma as a separator. You can use the within group clause to sort inside the string add function. And now you can see that the skills have been sorted alphabetically. Now let's take a look at a real project use case and use this function to generate dynamic SQL. Imagine you need a comma-separated column list for a dynamic select statement. Execute this SQL query using the string add function, which concatenates the column list for you, and you just built a dynamic select statement in one line. Ready to answer a SQL riddle now? Find it on the screen, post your answers in the comments below. Get all the 15 answers correct from our series and win exclusive access to one of our SQL courses. See you in the next video.